Good morning, students. Lesson number 14, a lesson for all. This is a drama and it happens into human beings and animal. It relates to environment. From this, we learn about how to keep how to keep clean our environment or protect the environment. Now let us start. Here characters are given. Human characters: newspaper boy, milkman, walkers, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Patel, she is a housewife, Mr. Desai, a businessman, mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, she is also a housewife, Nidhi and Madhu, Mrs. Joshi's daughter, school going girls are there. And animal characters: rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds, tortoise. Now start. Scene: a city street early in the morning. Timing is the early morning, and we are seeing a street is littered with plastic bags, cartoons, tins, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and other garbage. And at that time, enter Mr. Desai on the stage. Mr. Desai said he was looking out into the distance and he is saying to himself, "Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock, almost time to leave for my office." Looks out again. Let me ask the Patel if they have received their copy. Then Mr. Desai goes into the wings and returns with Mrs. Patel. Mrs. Patel said, "No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet, nor has our milkman turned up." Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Grumpy means he was complaining about that. Mr. Desai, very strange. And look, the state the street is in is simply shocking. Mrs. Patel said, "My word, what's this? Where did all this little litter and garbage come from?" Enters Mrs. Joshi with her daughters. At that time, Mrs. Joshi enters on the stage with her daughters. Mr. Desai, I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gather here overnight? Bare means the street was empty or clean. Then suddenly Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. Madhu said, "Oh, ouch, my foot, it hurts." Mrs. Joshi, "Oh dear, Madhu, are you alright?" "Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please." Mrs. Patel said, "Nidhi, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle." Mr. Desai, "I will get some ice at once." Mrs. Joshi said, almost in tears, said, "My poor child, how did all this broken glass happens to be here?" Mrs. Patel, "Look around, it's not just broken glass." But Mrs. Joshi, "Dear me, what nonsense this is, unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish come from?" Then Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. She has the doctor's kit. Dr. Sawant, "Let me see the wound." Mr. Desai, "Here's some ice to stop the bleeding." Dr. Sawant said, "What presence of mind, good." And at the time he applies the ice on the wound, there, no, there now, it has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. I will rest the wound and she will be fine. Then Mrs. Doshi said, "Thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road?" Dr. Sawant said, "Oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday. And now, just look." Then, on the stage, enters newspaper boy, milkman, and hawkers, etc. Mrs. Patel said, "The mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy. He is limping." And the milkman at last, "Why, where's your bicycle and why are you so late?" Milkman, "The tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk can." The newspaper boy said, and I tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot. It was quite dark early this morning. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. Mr. Desai said, "I see, something must be done." Then bus driver enters carefully avoiding the litter. Then bus driver said, "Mrs. Joshi, Mrs. Joshi, I am sorry I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It was like an obstacle race course." Mrs. Joshi said, "I know. I am going to send for the mayor at once. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken around, dangerous broken objects around." Hawker, "No one is safe. Let's request the mayor to come and see for himself." Mr. Desai said, "I will fetch him." And then he went out to bring mayor. That's why he exit from the stage. Dear students, we will see the part of the lesson up to this much, and in this you learn about the how the because of the lot of garbage and lot of waste things are on lying on the road, and because of that all the people have faced different problems, and remaining part of the lesson we will see in next video.